Come join me in Hakone as I go to an active volcano. All this is steam. It smells like eggs. Not because of the black eggs though. Eat some eggs and enjoy a traditional Japanese meal in Ryokan. Good morning from the romance cart to Hakone. We had a very stressful morning. We got to the station for the romance cart and we thought that we could just buy the tickets online and we don't have to pay, but then you have to buy an additional ticket on top of your reservation. So we didn't know that, and then our card wouldn't work in the machine and we only had like 10 minutes to get to the train and we were very stressed, but we made it with time to spare with some food. So I got egg sando. I have a 3-hour ride to Hakone. And we're gonna hopefully see Mount Fuji. Fuji-san.
Fuji-san.
Yay! All the stress is over. Right now, we are going to the ropeway, which is like the cable car that goes up top of the mountain, and that's where we're gonna eat some black volcanic eggs that will increase your lifespan by 7 years. So I'm going to eat 10 of them and I'll be invincible. Ha ha ha. Wow! That's not Fuji-san. Right now we're going on the ropeway to go to the top of the mountain to eat eggs. To eat eggs.
It's cool.
Oh, it's very cloudy. We have this beautiful view and we have this curry. It is famous. It's famous up here. We got the pork cutlet with the curry and then we got the
Minced beef
with the curry. Let's try it. Try the pork cutlet. Not too dry, which is nice. The curry, it's not sweet. It's a little spicy. It's good. I'll give it a, out of curry standards, I'll give it a 7. What do you think? 7? Yeah. I think we're also hungry. Oh, eggs! We're eating the eggs.
Each one you eat, you get 7 years longer. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna live to 107 now.
Okay, let's eat it.
You get it, hey. Whoa.
Ooh, it's hot.
Here's the egg. It's black.
Okay, the inside would be black.
Oh. Feeling the egg.
Wait, let me.
Oopsies. Egg. It's very sulfury, but I don't know if that's normal because egg.
Yeah. It's like an egg.
It looks like a normal egg. It's just black on the outside. I don't think they can control it. Oh, it's steaming. Do you see it? I don't know if you see it.
It's very creamy.
Now we're gonna live 7 years longer.
Who wants to live 14 years longer?
Going on this pirate ship in an hour. We just missed the boat by 10 minutes. So we're just wandering around now. I don't think there's much around here though. Beautiful though. Yeah. Cabins though. We're going on a trip in our favorite pirate ship. We're going back home and we're gonna see the shrine on the lake, which is one of the most famous attractions in Hakone. But I think this is a 1-hour pirate ship ride. Oh, wow, this fancy. There's snacks. There's snacks here. We're almost here. Oh, I don't think there's anybody here. Okay, I totally lied. There's a lot of people here. There's definitely a lot of people here. We don't need a photo at the Torii gate. We could just take a photo or video here. I think it'll be fine. The line was pretty long. I think it goes from way over here to all the way back here. Not for us. Not for us. Might as well go to the shrine.
When will we ever come back here?
Yeah. Hiking part 2. This time it's a 6-minute walk. Oh, it's not that bad. It's right there. Oh, that's not that bad. We're walking up to the shrine. Not too bad though.
Do you feel boots?
Thanks for carrying me.
Do you feel boots?
No. There's a dog here. Here's the shrine. Oh, that did not feel like it was 8 minutes. We're going home now, and we are going to go chill in the hot spring and check in. And then we're gonna have a traditional Japanese style dinner included with our $600 hotel stay. So for one night, which is crazy. And the hotel looks nice. It doesn't look amazing, but I feel like it'd be nice. Today's our relaxing day, and then the rest of the week we are going to be walking a lot. Our onsen. So we walk in, and then here's the bathroom. And then this is the little caddy sink. And then this is the main room where we're gonna have the floor mats. And then this is the hot spring. This is the hot tub. So there's that. And then this is our view. Ooh. The only weird thing is that the shower is out here, where it is out in the open for everyone to see. But there's a stool there, so I'm assuming that they're expecting you to sit down and shower. This is the bathroom. So then the bathroom here connects to the shower here, and then the hot tub. Is it worth $600 a night? I don't know. We'll see. Cheers to friends. Berry wine. Very good. Just finished my first appetizer. And I would give it a 3 out of 10. It was so not that good. Like the fish was fishy, the trout was dry, and I would not recommend. But let's see how the main meal goes. Next we have sashimi.
Awesome.
Our main course was shabu shabu. They gave us a lot of meat and it was really nice and fatty, but everything else generally was okay. They gave us some rice with this little fish with little eyes in it, which kind of freaked me out, but it didn't taste like anything. And then for dessert, they gave us a strawberry shortcake and it was also very okay. I think the main point is this meal was just okay. Overall okay.
I thought it would be softer.
Oh, our bed!
I figured it would be hard because we're sleeping on the ground, but it's actually nice that it's at least plushy.
That's it for Hakone. We all had a morning bath and then we had breakfast and now we're off to Kyoto. See you later!